From the Information Center at First Coast News, this is a Good Morning Jacksonville News Update.
Well, now that we are officially in summer, you have to watch out for those summer rays. But what about protecting your eyes? We're with Dr. Edward Kondrot here. Now, you're an expert in this subject. Tell me a little bit about food, how that impacts your eyes.
Well, it's great to be on the show. And I think one of the best ways to protect your eyes and also your skin from the harmful rays of the sun is your diet. And here we see a variety of fresh fruits and vegetables. So I'm a big advocate of organic fruits and vegetables. And your mother was right. You have to eat your fruits and veggies. They have a lot of phytonutrients and antioxidants to protect your eyes and skin from the harmful rays of the sun.
And I know we talked a little bit before the show, and all sunglasses are not created equal. Can you tell me more about that?
Well, one thing, let's take a pair of sunglasses, and a lot of people will pick sunglasses because they're really dark and they feel it's going to cause a lot of protection. But when you look up at the sun, there's a normal reaction. You squint and your pupils constrict, and here's a cross-section of the eye here.
Okay.
So the pupil is a way of protecting your eye from excessive amounts of ultraviolet light. Now, when you put on a pair of sunglasses, if they're dark, your brain thinks you're in a dark room. So the pupils dilate, and what happens? More ultraviolet light comes in, and it can cause more damage. That's why when you do select a pair of sunglasses, make sure they block ultraviolet A and ultraviolet B.
And what about suntan lotion? I've heard even that may not be great for your eyes. Well,
I'm not a big advocate of suntan lotion. You know, we need a moderate amount of ultraviolet light. Ultraviolet light produces vitamin D in the body, and vitamin D is essential for our health. A lot of people are paranoid about ultraviolet light. We need a moderate amount. And there's a danger with suntan lotions. They have harmful chemicals. It can be neurotoxic. So I recommend you wear a hat, clothing to protect you from ultraviolet light, and if you are going to be out in the sun for a long period of time, then get a natural sunscreen. And there are products made from green tea, believe it or not, and zinc oxide that's much healthier for your body.
And quickly, tell me a little bit about your book, the 10 Essentials to Save Your Sight.
Those of you that might be interested in learning more, this is my latest book called The 10 Essentials to Save Your Sight. And I tell my patients, read this while you can. It's full of a lot of good information to keep your eyes healthy.
Wonderful. So the highlights of today, you got to eat right, check on your sunglasses to make sure they have UVA and UVB protection, and also maybe go a little bit more natural with your sunscreen.
Right.
Well, thank you so much for joining us. We definitely appreciate it. Great to have you on. Now, coming up